Master locksmiths belong to an old, specialised and highly respected profession. Every member of the Master Locksmiths Association pride themselves in the art of locksmithing. It takes many years of training and dedication to achieve the skills needed to become a master locksmith. Which is why when it comes to the safety of your family and the security of your possessions, you should always choose a member of the Master Locksmiths Association to provide all your security needs. Our members' shops are fully stocked with a wide variety of security products. These range from simple solutions like door chains and spy holes through to more complex security products like locks, safes and access control systems. We also stock a vast array of key blanks, which allows us to duplicate almost every type of key in common production. Backed up by state-of-the-art computer-aided key-cutting machines and years of experience. No task is too difficult for your local MLA locksmith. All our company members are fully inspected and vetted to the highest possible standards. All MLA companies are supported by the resources and experience of the highly skilled staff at the MLA National Headquarters in Daventry. You could be watching this presentation in your local MLA member's shop, and if so, why not take a look around to see what services a professional master locksmith can offer to you. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Please take a moment to pick up the business card of your MLA member or save their number to your mobile phone. It could save you time and money, and it will give you peace of mind. Who knows, the next time you need the services of a locksmith, you could be in a stressful situation. You may have been the victim of crime. Your keys lost or stolen, and you are unable to get back into your vehicle or home. At this vulnerable time, it is more important than ever to use a fully licensed MLA member. The moment you see the MLA approved logo, you can be sure you are dealing with a fully insured professional master locksmith. All our members carry identity cards. We will also ask you to verify your identity to satisfy us that our skills are only used to let the rightful owner into their own property. Unlike some disreputable companies, MLA members will not waste your time and money by undertaking unnecessary work which increases your bill. A master locksmith will always take a few minutes to assess your property. We will always ask you a few questions to ascertain the quickest way to carry out the work. At home or even in the workplace, you may be tempted to use a well-intentioned, multi-skilled tradesman who also carries out glazing and plumbing repairs. These people are often dispatched from national call centres which are run by companies out to maximise their profits by charging excessive hourly rates. Often their bills are many times the amount you should be paying for the work carried out. At worst, you may call an uninsured handyman who has no training in locksmithing skills and after causing costly damage uses intimidation to obtain inflated charges for shoddy workmanship. If you run a motor vehicle, it's a sad fact of life that occasionally things can go wrong. Keys can be broken, lost or stolen. Sometimes they simply get locked inside your car. Should any of these things happen, it doesn't have to be a traumatic experience, as an MLA auto specialist should be able to get you back onto the road as quickly as possible. After gaining access to your vehicle, we can program replacement keys and even central locking remotes into the vehicle using the most up-to-date sophisticated diagnostic equipment. Often this service is provided at the vehicle's location, subject of course to satisfactory security checks. Most MLA auto specialists provide additional services specifically for the motor trade, such as making keys to vehicle locks with or without key codes, recoding vehicle locks to a new key without the need for a new lock set, It doesn't matter if you are a general road user or a member of the motor trade. If you find you have a problem with car keys or locks, just give us a call and we'll do our best to get you on your way. In this scenario, we're highlighting the difference between an experienced locksmith gaining access through a locked door and an untrained handyman. Only skilled locksmiths are able to pick locks, and this is always our first option when we attend site. Whether it's commercial and domestic properties, vehicles and transportation, or other goods you need to secure. Which is why it's worth getting to know a little more about your local master locksmith. All our approved companies are dedicated to providing skilled and accurate workmanship. They are also positively encouraged to maintain standards in training and best practice. Don't trust the security of your property to a glazer or a plumber. You wouldn't call a locksmith to fix a leak or reglaze your windows, so don't be tempted to call a handyman to replace or fit new locks. Use a professional master locksmith. Some high security locks need to be drilled open. We will always carry a selection of replacement locks in our fully equipped service vehicles. Every one of our approved companies are properly insured to carry out security installations on your property, and to further guarantee customer satisfaction, we periodically inspect our members to stringent standards. This is why most police authorities and insurance companies recommend the use of an MLA member for your security needs. Craftsmanship, skill and integrity. This is what the Master Locksmiths Association stands for. Our training is second to none. It takes many years to become a master locksmith. This involves theoretical and practical application, both in the field and at our in-house training centre in Daventry. Only after a series of rigorous examinations, screening and security clearances can a person truly call themselves a member of the Master Locksmiths Association. Master Locksmiths members meet together on a regular basis at conventions, seminars and training courses. This allows us to keep up with the latest advances in the security industry. We liaise with lock manufacturers and distributors, many of whom are also members of the MLA. In addition, we carry out testing for all the main lock manufacturers, both at home and abroad. Our recommendations are often incorporated into newly developed products. After all, when it comes to locks, MLA members are the experts. Unlike your local shoe repairer, we don't just cut keys to pattern. We repair locks. We can even make you a key to fit a lock where no key exists. This applies to cars, safes, desks and cabinets, and most other locking devices. So, for further advice and information on your security, speak to the specialist. your local master locksmith.